Tunnel inspection has always been one of the toughest challenges in infrastructure maintenance. These are complex, high-risk environments where every minute of downtime counts. Traditional methods rely on manual checks, slow, inconsistent, and resource-heavy, making it difficult to track change over time. Now, there's a better way. IntelliSpatial, in partnership with Dibbet, is redefining what's possible with smart tunnel inspection. 3D photogrammetry, high-speed LiDAR, and thermal scanning captures every detail in a single pass with 1mm image resolution, making inspections faster, safer, and far more precise. Detections are validated in Dibbet 8 software with AI-assisted crack detection before being reviewed and each defect verified. Results can then be exported to CSV or vector data and published directly to IntelliSpatial, a cloud-based platform which brings together all the datasets you rely on. Teams can measure, share, and act, all through a single browser, no software required. From capture to decision, IntelliSpatial and Dibbet are redefining tunnel condition intelligence. Talk to us about tunnel solutions.